How to update apps on your iPad. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bimo from The Solution Guy, and in today's guide video I will show you how you can update applications on your iPad. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first things first, what you have to do is there are basically multiple ways to update an application on your iPad. For example, if you want to update them manually, you have to go ahead and look for the name in the App Store. Let's say I want to actually update any of those apps. First of all, simply open up your App Store. Once you open up your App Store, you can see this is how it is going to look like. Now you can tap on the search box which is at the bottom, and let's say I want to update, let's say Facebook for example. So I will go ahead and then type in Facebook. As I type in Facebook, right on the search box, you'll be able to see a list of results, and if the Facebook app has an update available, you'll be able to see the update button right on the Facebook app. So instead of open, you're being able to see this update button. That is because the Facebook app is already installed on my iPad and that it requires an update. In order to update it, tap on the update button basically, and that way you'll be able to successfully update it. If you see an open button instead of update, it means that your application is already on the latest version and there is really no need for you to update it. And this is basically the first way to do it manually. Let's say you don't want to search and you want to actually find this manually, then I will tap on this today, and then I will tap on my profile icon on the top right corner, and right over here you can see it says upcoming automatic updates over here right on the section. If you want to update all of the apps which are on your iPad, what you have to do is simply tap on this option which says update all. So basically you will need to tap on the update all button, and right, all of the applications would begin updating itself right over here on the screen. So you can go ahead and do this manually. I basically showed you two ways. One is through the manual one and one is the automatic one if you want to update all of the applications. I hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.